All men cheat. You can't spell cheat without he and at, which means... which means, see, he had another house. She had 9 affairs during our relationship/marriage. Our divorce is finalized, and she sends me this. Patrick, can you please answer this? Honestly, besides me being a manipulative liar and a whore, what was wrong with me? Okay, awesome. Look, honey, please answer me. Aside from all the war crimes and horrible things I've done, was I really so bad? Oh man, I love that. You're the friggin' best. I'm obsessed with you. I try to be. I'm gonna wear your skin. Calm down.
My head hits the wall. Shit, fuck, balls, piss, I say, as I slowly start realizing that Charlie is a homosexual.